How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. First of all, open Instagram. One thing you have to know is that without posting a story, you can't create highlights. But we will post a story for 2 to 3 seconds. Click on the plus icon. Click on Story and choose any picture. You can take any picture at the time. Post the story. Open your story once it's posted. Click on the 3 buttons, then click on Delete. Once it's deleted, click on the 3 lines, then click on your activity. Click on Recently Deleted. Go to the Story tab, and find the deleted story. Open the story. Click on the 3 dots, then click on Restore. Once it's done, go back and click on Archive. Select the story, then click on Highlights. You can post it as a previous highlight or create a new one. I am creating a new one as a daily routine. Go back to your profile. And now you will see that your highlight has been created. That's how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.